Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on creating your first RDL report with bold reports. In this video, you will learn how to create, design, preview, and publish a simple sales order details report. To showcase the demo, I'm going to use the Enterprise Server demo site. I have shared the demo site link in this video's description box. This is the Enterprise Server homepage. To create a new report, I click the Add icon on the left navigation bar and choose Start from Scratch. Enter the name of the report and click Add and Design. Now, I will be redirected to the Report Designer user interface with a blank report. It consists of a toolbar at the top, an item panel on the left containing report items, a design surface in the center of the page, and a configuration panel on the right that has the Properties pane, Data pane, Parameters pane, and Image Manager. The first step you need to do before you start designing a report is to create a data source and a data set. I click the Data pane at the right side of the Report Designer and click the New Data button. Now, the list of supported data sources will be displayed. In that, I click the SQL Data Provider connection. I enter the name of the data source, the server name, authentication type, username, password, and database. Then, I click Connect. Now, it redirects to the Query Designer, so you can interactively build a query for a data set. The Query Designer contains a schema area, Query Designer surface, toolbar, and preview area. I provide the dataset name as sales order details. Then, in the schema area, I search for the orders table and drag it into the Query Designer surface. I click the Run icon to generate a preview of the table. You can see the preview of the orders table is generated in the preview area. Finally, I click Finish. The data required to design the sales order details report is ready. I'm going to display the sales order details in the table report item. I drag a table report item from the item panel to the design surface. Then, in the Properties pane under the Data category, I choose Sales Order Details Data in the Dataset property. I'm going to display 8 fields in the table from this dataset. For that I need 2 rows and 8 columns. The table has already rendered with 2 rows and 3 columns. So, let's add the remaining columns. The rows and columns can be added or deleted using the options provided in the context menu. I right-click in a cell to open the context menu and choose Insert Column Right. Do the same action to add each column. The table has 2 rows, one to display the column headers, and another to display the data. First, I'm going to set the header text, and assign data fields for each column. Let's open the Properties panel. I focus on the first cell in the table report item, and enter the column header text in the Content property. As you can see, the header text is assigned to the proper cell. The same way, I assign header text to the other columns. Then, I'm going to assign the dataset fields for each cell in the data row. The dataset fields can be assigned to each table cell using the Data Assign menu. I hover on the first cell and click on the selector icon. I choose the Order ID field from the menu. The same way, I assign data fields to the other columns. Next, to enhance the report design, I am going to apply some basic formatting. I select the header row and open the Properties panel. I change the font family to Sego UI, the font style to bold, the text alignment to center, and the vertical alignment to middle. Then, change the background color to Solitude, and let the other properties stay default. Similarly, in the data row, I change the font family and style. Then, I set the alignment for the order ID field to center, and the freight field to right, as it is a numeric field. Also, I apply US currency formatting for this field using the format property. Then adjust the width of the cells. Now, let's complete the report design by adding a report header. To enable the header, right-click the design area and select Add Header. To add text to the header, we can use the text box report item. Drag and drop the text box report item into the header. And enter the report header text as sales order details. To improve the header appearance, select the text box and apply background color, font family, font size, font color, font style, and vertical alignment. Then adjust the width and height of the header and design surface. Also remove the footer. I have designed a report. Let me preview the report by switching to preview mode. Now, the report is rendered. This is the first page of the report. The sales orders and their details are rendered in table format. You can see it has 533 pages. Use these arrows to navigate among the pages. This report can be exported in the popular export formats: PDF, Excel, Word, HTML, PowerPoint, CSV, and XML. The preview looks good, so I'll proceed with publishing the report. I just click the Publish button. I can categorize and publish reports by creating a new category or choosing an existing category. I'm going to create a new category called Sales Reports. To do that, click on the plus icon in the category field. Then I provide the category name and description, though that's optional. Click Save. Then I provide the report name as Sales Order Details. Finally, click Publish. Now, the report will be published under the Sales Report category in the Enterprise server. Click the arrow to go back to the home page. We can see that the report has been published under the Sales Reports category. To edit the report, click on this icon and choose Edit. You can also perform move, copy, clone, and other actions with this report. We can directly preview the report, just by clicking on the report listed in the home page. You can see the report preview is launched in the new tab. In this video, I have shared how to create, preview, and publish a sales order report in the report server. Stay tuned to our channel for upcoming videos on bold reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.